Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how I do this with the balancing beads. See, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're putting 3 of those packs in this wheel and 1 up in the front. So let's take off our cap first. Then they give you a little tool here, which I have, but I'm going to use theirs. Okay, now we're going to put the beads into this. Then we're going to pour them into that valve. Okay, I have the rubber hose over. Now we're going to use a vibrator to vibrate the beads into the wheel. Is that even going in, guys? I can't see nothing. Hold on. Something's wrong here. You know what I did wrong? I didn't cut the top of this. Yeah, I didn't open up the bottle. Now you can see how that filled up already. Not working. They're going down now. Okay, let's put our bottle back on and feed some more. The hell is the goddamn button? Guys, where the hell did my vibrator go? God damn it! Seems like it needs air suction for them to go down. Okay guys, this is going to take me a while because that's not even one. I still have a little left in there. Okay guys, I got it recharged. I only recharged it for like 10 minutes. So in order for me to do the front one, I have to charge this a lot more because I think it's almost dead. Here, you can get a better view that way. Now I'll count to 10. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Okay. Now we'll put the new guts in and we'll fill this up with air. We'll do the front one next after I recharge this. Hey guys, this is how I have to get the front beads in. Literally a single file. This is murder on my arm. Absolute murder. God, my arm is killing me. It's like my upper shoulder muscle. Okay, we're almost there, guys. Alright, I think we got it. Let's stop this thing here. Okay, nothing bouncing out of there. I think we got it. Oh. Okay, guys. Well, that's one way of doing it. I have something else I want to show you guys. Okay, guys. I made a little toolbox or a tool bag out of what was left from my backpack. See, we got a belt buckle in there. Got the belt buckle on there. The sides. Hold on. Get some light for you guys here. There, now you can see it. I made sides. I laced the sides up. The strap I made. There's a belt buckle underneath there. It's hard to see. I wanted one on this side. Here you go. You can see the belt buckle. This was, I didn't lace the front like that. This was part of what was left from the backpack. Okay, that's what's left of the backpack. So I use literally every bit of it. Now, this was the color of those little bags on the front fork. Okay, that was that color. Look, I even made a glasses case. I even made myself a glasses case. Now, look, I even made a cover for my key out of that same leather. Now, I might stain these tonight and put the super sheen on them, and the same with this one here. I might do that because these absorb the stain without even cleaning them off with acetone. So as you see, now that tool bag over there, you know, you can put more tools. You can have a lot of tools on your bike. You can never have enough tools on these. Okay, that square one, that'll be the tire repair kit, because most of those kits they're square. You know, I can't believe how much they want for a tire repair kit. You're looking at like what, $40–50, and they have the little CO2 cartridges in there. So I'll be able to have a nice kit in there. And down there will be some tools, some more tools in there, and documents in that one, and maybe a pack. Well, I don't smoke cigarettes anymore. So I was going to say a pack of cigarettes. But yeah, guys, I got to definitely, you can see the difference. That's more redder. It's like a mahogany. These got to be dyed. I might take them off and dye them tonight. So, okay. We have the balancing beads in there. My valve stems went right in. The valve stem cavity is cleaned. I read a lot of things online. People use these balancing bead kits and they claim it destroys their valve stem. You know, I guess they can't get the beads out because they're not thinking of using a vibrator. So, all we got to do now is fill these back up with the air. I'm not going to bore you guys and girls out there with filling these back up with air. So, think we got enough leather on that, guys. Stay safe.